In front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this device. You need to start by opening one of your apps like Chrome and choosing the square button. Now you need to hold your app and click on this icon under padlock with two rectangles. Then click on the other app from background apps or select home button and tap on one of those, like Play Store. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first tab upwards and select home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!